Hello guys, good evening. Exam day. Yesterday we have learned about this. You can take a screenshot and make a note. Today we are going to learn about the compound statement. Continue to this BSc Physics lecture, basic concepts. Compound statement. A statement is said to be compound statement if it is obtained by two or more statements by using at least one of the connectives. Statement that we obtain by using one or more than two connectives. We have the connectives that are and, or, not, if, then, if and only if, that is abbreviated as IFF. Example, 3 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5, or 7 is prime. 7 is a prime number, or 7 is prime. Here we have used or connectives. Similarly, another could be 3 plus 5 is equals to 8, or 9 is even. 9 is odd. Sorry for that. This is the compound statement. Now let's move to the logical operations and truth tables. We have learned about the compound statement. Then we have moving to the logical operations. First there is negation of a statement. Negation means negative that denies a statement. A statement which denies a given statement is known as negation of a statement. Just like if we let's introduce a statement as P, 2 is a real number and we are then it's negation. Negation means not. We use symbol this for not, as I have told you earlier. 2 is a then negation of P. 2 is not a real number and we are. Similarly, we can make another example says P says that Sagarmatha is the highest peak in the world. Negation of the P is that and Sagarmatha is not the highest peak in the world. Similarly, let's move to the conjunction of an statement. We have learned about the negation of a statement. This is another type of the compound statement or other statements. Conjunction of a statement. If we use and connectives, then we call it conjunctions. Compound statement obtained by combining any two statements by using the connectives. We can write as connective and. If we use and, then it is called as conjunction. If we use not, then it is called as negation. Then for to use the and, we need two statements such that P, Sagarmatha is the highest peak in the world. Sagarmatha, I am taking this example as reference in all the topics. Sagarmatha is the highest peak in the world. Sagarmatha is the highest peak in the world. And Q will be Sagarmatha is in Nepal. Sagarmatha is in Nepal. And now we can make this conjunction statement. It has I write symbol, just symbols. That is P and Q. That is Sagarmatha is the highest peak in the world. Is the highest peak in the world. And it lies in Nepal. That's oh sorry, I forgot to make the truth table of the every statement as truth table. For negation P, we can write as Q. Negation of P, that is if P is true, then it is false. If P is false, then it is true. Sorry for the rough, guys. Please be. If P is true, then negation of the P is false. If P is false, then negation of the P is true. Then for this, similarly, a truth table could be P, Q. We can remember this as not. Then not means negative. Then we can remember this is and, this is or. Or I will tell or also in this video in this topic that we can sum or This is or means sum, and means product. Many of the guys can be confused on the and or sum or product. We can use a simple trick as summer. We have the season summer, so we can abbreviate it as a sum or. Then we use this symbol for or, and for and product. PQ. If P is true, false, false. This is our true, false, then P and Q is true, product means multiply. True into true, true into false, false into true, false into false, true. You can take it as plus and false as minus. Plus into minus into plus into plus, minus into minus, plus. This is the truth table of the conjunction. Sorry for the graph. For or, this is the dissection. We talk about negation, that is a negative. Not, then we talk about conjunction, that is and this is dissection. I have written it already. Similarly, I have already told you about or. If P and Q are two statement, true, false, true, false. We have P or Q. I have already told you about the connectives, or is symbolized as down arrow head, or V, just a V. This means sum, or means sum. True, false. If the both statement is false, then it is false. If the both statement is false, sorry for using the mathematical symbols as a plus minus. If the both statement is false, statements are false, then it is is false. Otherwise true. This is about the dissection. Example, we can take the example as 3 is less or equal to, for here 1 is true, 1 is false. We can connect this statement as we using connectives.